Turn the unit over and do the same thing. 4 points. Inside reverse fold. And now we are going to open it. There's a little pocket right here. Open it, and at the same time push this up, kind of invert it. Push this up, and do the same thing for all 4 sections, for all 4 pockets. Kind of push them up. And as you go, it forms a circle. Keep that inside reverse fold in, and push up that little pocket. And finally, the 4th one. Push up that inside, that little pocket up. And as you do so, form the little dish. You have your dish.